Hello student, hi, good evening. So today we are going to see how to find the eigenvector of the 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so let's see here how to find the eigenvector of the 3 cross 3 matrix. Here I am going to take one problem. So that is what our 3 cross 3 matrix, which is given as 1 2 3 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 0 minus 3. This is my 3 cross 3 matrix. How to find the eigenvector of this 3 cross 3 matrix, that we are going to see. So first of all, we have to find for this what eigenvalue of the matrix. Then after that we will come to see eigenvector for this matrix. Okay, so let us first take how to find the eigenvalue. So that is what, if you see here, eigenvalue that we will find by determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Yes, this will give us what eigenvalue of the matrix. Then how to solve this? If we see this here, this is nothing but, if we see a minus lambda I, so when we solve this a is what, this matrix, and this is my lambda I. Yes, so this means a minus lambda is nothing but, this is my a matrix. So this matrix, so let's see. So for this there is a one trick. So that is what the way to solve this is what, this is nothing but lambda cube. Just write here lambda cube, then minus sum of what, sum of the lambda cube minus lambda square into what, into sum of what, diagonal element, sum of diagonal element. Then this is my plus lambda into sum of what, sum of diagonal minor and minus determinant of matrix A. Okay, so this is in this way we can find the eigenvalue of this matrix, which is equal to what, 0. Yes, 0. Now we have to find the diagonal sum of the diagonal element of this matrix, and we have to find the minor of this matrix, sum of the minor of this matrix. Let us see first. This is what, my lambda cube minus lambda square into diagonal element sum is what, this is what, 3. This is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 is what, minus 4. So this is what, minus 4. Then you see plus lambda into, if you see here, plus lambda into minor, diagonal minor is this one is what, first minor, second and third. For this, if you see, for this, what is the minor m1 minor is nothing but, for this, just you remove this one and we are left with this one. Okay, so this square matrix, that is what, minus 2 minus 3 0 0 minus 3, and this is nothing but equal to, this is 6. Okay, so then m2, this is m11 minor. Okay, so minor of diagonal element is, this is my m11, this is m22 is nothing but, if you see, m22 is this one, you just what, remove this one. Yes, this column and this row. So we are left with 1 3 0 minus 3, 1 3 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. So what will come here? This is minus 3, so which is nothing but minus 3. Okay, so this minor, for this the minor is what, minus 3. Yes, this is minus 3. Then minor 3 3 is what, minor 3 3 is nothing but this one. You just remove this column, remove this row. We are left with this square matrix. This is my minor 1 2 and 0 0 minus 2. So from this we get what, minus 2. So this is what, minus 2. Now the sum of minor is what here. If you see, sum of this is what, 6. Sum of this is what, 6 minus 3 minus 2 is what, 1. Yes, 1. So minus determinant. Now we are going to find the determinant. Okay, so we have calculated what, minor. So sum of the minor is 1. We have calculated the sum of the diagonal element, that is minus 4. Now we are going to calculate what, we are going to calculate the determinant of this matrix. So let's say here I'm going to rub this what. Okay, so then we are going to find here determinant of the matrix. how to find this determinant of this matrix is nothing but, you see this is 1 to 1 into this one, you remove this column, this row, so we are left with this. And what is here, minor of this is how much? So this is nothing but minus, this is plus 6, okay, so minus 0. So then after that it is what, minus 2 here, okay, so minus 2 into, you just remove this column, this row, we are left with this, which is equal to what, 0 into minus 3, 0, this is also 0 into something 0. So then after that plus 3, and here also 0, so this is nothing but 0. So therefore the determinant will be equal to what, 6, determinant is 6. Then we can write here minus 6, okay, so this is what, 0, this is what, 0. So we have found what, this equation, okay, eigen equation. From there we are going to find what, eigenvalue for this 3 cross 3 square matrix. So I'm going to rub this here. Now what we got here, we got the cubic equation. This is lambda cube plus 4 lambda square then plus lambda minus 6 is equal to what, 0. From this equation we have obtained from this, okay, so from this matrix, determinant of this matrix A minus lambda I, which is equal to 0. From this we obtained this equation, cubic equation. Now how to solve this? Let us put the lambda value equal to what? Let us put lambda is equal to 1 here. If we put 1 here, 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 6 is equal to what? 0. This is 4 plus 1, 6 get cancelled, and this is going to satisfy at value of what? Lambda is equal to 1. So this means that lambda is equal to 1 is over 1 root of this equation. Then how to find the other root? For that we will go like this. So let's see the coefficient of this. Right here, coefficient of this 1, this is what, 4, this is what, 1, this is what, minus 6. Okay, so what we got 1 root here, this is what, 1. So then you write here 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 5 into 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6, so 6 minus 6 is what, 0. So we have obtained the equation like this is what, lambda minus 1 into, this is 1 root, then the remaining root is what, lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 6. Okay, so now you see here lambda minus 1 into, this is what, sum of the root is 5, product of the root is 6. So this means what, lambda plus 2 into lambda plus 3. This is equal to 0. Yes, now we have obtained what, eigenvalue for this. This is what, 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so in this way we can find the roots of the cubic equation. First we have to make what, hit and try method. So just putting 1 here, 1, and this equation is satisfying at 1, so we got 1 root. Then after that, with this 1 root, with the help of this we are going to find the other root also. So you just put here 1, and you just put the coefficient of all this, coefficient of this lambda. Okay, so lambda cube, lambda square, lambda, and constant. These are the coefficient 1, 4, 1, minus 6. Then after that you just, this is what, initially it is what, 0, then after that multiply this is 1 plus 0, 1, then multiply with 1 into 1 is 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5, then 1 into 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, then 6 into 1 is 6, minus 6 plus 6 is what, 0. So then we got this coefficient for quadratic equation, that is 1, 5, 6. Then we can write lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 6. Yes, plus 6, and 1 root we have got already here. Then after that we can make the factor of this. So this is what, sum of the root is what, 3 plus 2 is 5, and product of the root is 6, 3 into 2 is 6. So in this way we got the root. So these are the eigenvalue of the matrix. So hence we obtained the eigenvalue of matrix as 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so then we can write what we obtained here, the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So these are the eigenvalue. Now we are going to find the eigenvector. Okay, so eigenvector for this matrix. How to find the eigenvector? Just put here the lambda value here. So first we are going to put lambda is equal to 1 here. So for this what we will get, just put lambda is equal to 1. Yes, now in this what we will do, so a minus lambda I, okay, into x is equal to 0. We are going to put the value of this, okay? So value of this eigenvalue, then we will find what eigenvector, okay? So just put first eigenvector. To find the first eigenvector, we are just going to put here lambda is equal to 1. When we put lambda is equal to 1, what we will get here directly, if you see, by putting lambda is equal to 1, so this means a minus I means what? This is identity matrix. So if you see, a minus I means 1 minus 1, here it becomes 0, then a, this is 2, this is 0, all these are what? 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, then here 0 minus 0 is 0, then here minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, then minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, then here if you see 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, then minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, then we will multiply this with x1, this is my x2 and this is my x3 is equal to what? 0. Now we will obtain the three equation, okay? So for this, and let me rub this, okay? So I'm going to rub this. Now what equation we will get here? The equation that we get from here is what? This is 3, so this is nothing but 2x, this is 0 x1, then plus 2 x2, then plus 3 x3 is equal to what? 0, then this is 0 x1 minus 3 x2, then minus 3 x3 is equal to 0, then it is 0 x1 minus plus 0 x2, then minus 4 x3 is equal to what? 0. Okay, so this is my equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now from here, how to find the eigenvector? So let's see, we have this, okay? So we will choose in such a way that the minor of all three x will not come 0. We will use here Cramer rule, okay? Cramer rule. Let us take these two equations, 1 and 2 equation. We will write here x1. This is alternate sign, positive, negative, positive, okay? In this way. So this is what here, if you see, this is what x1 divided by minor of this, and then it is minus x2 divided by minor of this, okay? So this is just equality sign here, and this is positive, this is negative, and this is again positive. X3 divided by minor, we are going to write here minor for this. If you see x1, we are taking what? Equation 1 and 2, for x1 the minor is what? Just remove this column and remaining is what? Minor. So this is what? 2 3 minus 3 minus 3, this is 2 3 minus 3 is the minor, and for x2 minor is what? Remove this corresponding column and remaining is what? 0 3 0 minus 3 0 3 and 0 minus 3, and here x3, in x3 case, if you see, remove this corresponding column and remaining is what? Minor. This is 0 2 and this is 0 minus 3 0 minus 3, and if you see here, what we will get here, minor of this is what? Minus 6, yes, minus 6, okay? So plus 9, this is what? 3, yes, minus 6 plus 9 is 3, and this is what? 0, and this is also 0, So what we obtained from here, so this is what? Minus 6, okay? So this is minus 6 minus plus 9, okay? So 9 minus 6 is 3, this is 0, so, and take 3 common, what we will get here? We get here as x1 by 1 is equal to x2 by 0 is equal to x3 by 0, okay? So this is negative. So what is the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda equal to 1 is what? X1, x2 and x3 is equal to what? Is equal to 1 0 0. These are my eigenvector corresponding to what? Corresponding to lambda is equal to what? 1, okay? Corresponding to lambda is equal to 1 eigenvalue, the eigenvector is this one, okay? So now similarly we are going to obtain the eigenvector for lambda is equal to minus 2. So let's see the eigenvector for lambda is equal to minus 3. So eigenvector for lambda is equal to minus 2, eigenvector is what? As we have what? Matrix like this, 1 2 3 0 minus 2 minus 3, and this is 0 0 minus 3, okay? So this is my A matrix, and similarly what we have to find here, so this matrix A minus lambda I, here we are going to put the value of lambda here. This is what minus 2i. I is the identity matrix. So by that way, what we will get this as here. This we will get a minus lambda I. When we will put minus 2 here, we get 1 minus. So this become what? This become plus 2i. Okay, plus 2i. So plus 2i. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Then 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is what? 2. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. And here 0. Here minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. And similarly here 0. Here 0. And minus 3 plus 2 is what? Again it is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 again minus, this is minus 1. And this is what here? x1, x2. This is x3. Okay, x3 which is equal to 0. Okay, so remember this is what actually identity matrix is. What identity matrix is? Nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So 2i means what? 2i means just put here 2 and 2, and we are just adding this with this. So that's why we are getting what? This one. Okay, so this means what? A minus lambda I means what? This a plus 2i. 2i means this identity matrix. This is with 2. Okay, so 2i. So we are just adding this with this, and we got this one. Okay, so from here what we get? From here we get the equation as what? 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to what? 0. This is my equation number 4. And here 0x1 plus here 0x2. Okay, so minus x3 is equal to what? 0. And this is my equation number 5. And here if you see 0x1 again 0x2 minus x3 is equal to what? 0. This is my equation number 6. Now take any two equations. Okay, so then we will find what? Eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue of minus 2. So let us wrap this first. Okay, so we got the equation for this, and now there is no need for this one. Okay, so like what we will get here. So let us take any two equation. I am going to take the equation 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. So this is what? X1. This is minor for x1 equal to minus here x2. This is what standard form, like plus minus plus. Okay, so for this minor and equal to x3 for this here minor. Right, for this minor, remove this corresponding column. We are left with 2 3 0 minus 1. 2 3 0 minus 1. And for this, remove this column, middle column, and remaining is what? 3 3 0 minus, this is 3 3 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. And for this, if you see, remove this third column, and we are left with 3 2 0 0. And now we can remove this. What we will get here? Eigenvector. So this is what minor of this is what? X1 is equal to here minus x2 is equal to x3 here. What we will get here? Minus 2. This is minus 2. What we will get here? Minus 3. This is minus 3. What we will get here? 0. 0. So this is 0. So what we can take here common? So can we take any term common here? So there is no common term. So this is what we got: x1, x2, x3. Just wait. The eigenvector that we get here: x1, x2, x3. x3 is equal to what? Minus 2, here 3, and here 0. This is what? 0. These are the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 2 eigenvalue. This is the eigenvector. Okay, eigenvector. Now we are going to see the third eigenvector. Okay, so this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, 3, 0. This is what? Minus 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 3, 0. Now we are going to see the eigenvector corresponding to minus 3 value, for which minus 3 value here the matrix 3 cross 3 matrix was what? 1 2 3 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 0 minus 3. Okay, so now see here what we have to find. We have to find what? The matrix A minus lambda I. Okay, so for this, if you see what is this A minus lambda I, so this is A minus 3, so means 3i. We have to find this 3 minus I. For this, if you see, just add 3 diagonally. So this is 4, 1 plus 3 4. This is 2 remaining, 3 remaining, and 3 remains same. 2 remains same, 3 remains same. Here 0 remains same. Minus 2 plus 3 is what? 1. Then minus 3 remains same, and here it is 0 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is what? 0. Yes, 0. So and into x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now we are going to find what the equation for this. For this equation is 4x1 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to what? 0. Equation number 7. Okay, so this is my equation 7. And next is 0x1 plus x2, then minus 3x3 is equal to 0. This is what? Equation number 8. Equation number 8. Okay, so now here that is what? 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0x3. x3 is equal to what? 0. This is my equation number 9. So we are going to take equation 7 and 8 to calculate the eigenvector. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to rub this, and we are just taking the equation number 7 and equation number 7 and 8. So if you see, x1 divided by determinant divided by minor is equal to minus x3 minus x2. x2 minor is equal to x3 minor. If you see, x1 minor is what? Remove this corresponding column and we are left with this square matrix. This is 2 3 1 minus 3, 2 3 1 minus 3. And x2, for x2 remove this corresponding column. Here we are taking 7 and 8. Okay, equation, remove this corresponding column, middle column, and we are left with this square matrix. This is 4 3 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. And third, if you see, remove this third column and remaining is what? 4 2 0 1 0 1. So from here what we get? So now we can remove this, and we obtained the eigenvector as what? x1 divided by what is the what is the minor for this? This is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3 is what? Minus 9. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. For this, minus 12. This is minus x2 divided by minus 12. And here is x3 divided by, this is what? 4. Can we take common here? Is there any common term? There is no common term at all. So we can get the eigenvector. For this is what? Eigenvector x1 x2 x3 is equal to, here this is 9 12 4. Is there any common term here? So no common term is there. If you see this 3 4 0, yes, these are the eigenvector. So therefore we got this eigenvector corresponding to minus 3. Vector corresponding to minus 3. Okay, so now finally if we see, this is 9 12 4, 9 12 4. The eigenvector, so this was what? My matrix, what? 1 2 3 0 0 3 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 0 minus 3. This was my matrix. For this we got the eigenvalue as, we got first determinant is equal to what? 6. Determinant equal to 6. Then we got eigenvalue for this 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then we got what? Corresponding to eigenvalue 1 corresponding to eigenvalue 1, we got what? Eigenvector as x1 x2 x3 is equal to what? Is equal to 1 0 0. Yes. Then lambda is equal to minus 2, corresponding to this, the eigenvector that we got here, x1 x2 x3 is equal to minus 2 3 0. Yes, and corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 3, we got the eigenvector x1, x2, x3 is equal to what? 9, 9, 12, 4. 9, 12, 4. This is 12. 9, 12, 4. So these are what eigenvector. This is determinant eigenvalue eigenvector. Okay, so this is what we got, the eigenvector and eigenvalue determinant for this 3 cross 3.